In this video, we'll talk about the formatting a string. Just for the course, just create a new script and you are good to go. Just never forget to write the .py extension with the file name and you are good to go. So what about string formatting? Formatting means basically changing the sequence of the string. So if there is something that is broken into the string or something that is not meaningful in the string, changing the non-meaningful sentence or a string to the meaningful one. That means changing the way of expressing the sentence is the formatting of a sentence. So for the sentence formatting, just first input something. So how is input methods work? Means inputting means just getting the data from the user. Inputting means just getting the data so as to manipulate the data. So input method works like this. So just input what is your name. So just input it, and input value should be stored somewhere. So for the sake of storing, we have the variables, and variables are always storing something. So I'll create a variable name and store the input value that is given by the user, or that is a name, into the variable name. So I should have to print basically I should have to print the your name is, and I should just take the name from the user and print it that your name is this. Your name is this, you have given this. So what has done here is you have taken the name from the user, and you have taken the name from the user and stored into the name. So now name has something value. Suppose I have let's say hum is the name of a person and it is into the name. So I have to print that your name is hum here. HAM, this is to console. So for the sake of that, I will use the string formatting technique. So how is string formatting works is just you have to give a curly braces. Just give it a curly braces and call with the string format function, and just pass what the value should be stored in that curly braces. So how this work? You take the name from the user from the input method, and user put the name and it is stored into the name, and print method prints to the cell that your name is by formatting the name that user provided. So dot format is inbuilt function for formatting the string. Just remember, you have to put the curly braces, and in the place of curly braces the formatted name will be printed. So just save it and run it into the cell, and what is your name is printed. So I'll write Sachin. So your name is Sachin has been printed to the cell. So this is the most important technique of formatting, and it will be important to format that whenever you have the customer and you have to format their name, or dynamically take their name and format the string as is to provide their detail in a very much systematic way. This string formatting will be very important. So similarly, if you want to input the multiple things, or basically your name is, but I want to also provide the age is 46 basically, and age is 46, and I want to also give a age value in the format. So and age is, so age is also print like this, and just format with the age, and just save it and run it. What is your name? I'll write Sachin again. Your name is Sachin and age is 46. Means the age, the second value has been also formatted, but this is quite confusing. So where the name has been written, where the age has been gone. So just if you can write here 0 and 1 index. So 0 means the first of the format functions, the parameter in the format, and second will be the age is 1 index with a 1. It will also print the same, what is your name, it will also print the same name and age. It is just making a more meaningful in the formatting topic using the 0 and 1. So dot format has been an inbuilt function that has been called into the string. String is your name is, here is a string, and calling with a dot operator into the string, that is the format, and formatting with the inputted value by the user, that is the input function will input the value and storing it to the somewhere and just getting it to print with the format. So for dot format is very important to learn.